Hey, madam, do you like the pupusa I sent you? I hope you like it.
It's this delicious pupusa.
Yes, madam. I told you last time, try the pupusa. It's very delicious. You see now? Very delicious, madam.
This pupusa tastes so yummy.
I know, madam. I know it's so yummy. I told you, you're gonna like it.
It tastes so fucking good.
I know, madam.
It tastes yummy. Just open it, you see the cheese.
Yes, madam. That pupusa I sent you, it's cheese, but they have more flavor. Cheese, chicken, beef, pork. With pork.
Chicken pupusa. I love this pupusa. I love Spanish food, man.
Of course, madam. Spanish people, they have delicious food. I told you a lot of times, try. But now you see the difference. You like it. You love it.
So Salvador people know how to make a good pupusa, if I'm not wrong.